Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do an ES6 JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Write concise declarative functions with ES6. So when we write functions inside of objects, here's the syntax of it. You have the name of the property and then function and whatever the function does. And there's a new way you can do it where you don't even have to write function, and you just have to say the name of the property, name of the function property, yeah, and then any parameters, and just straight to it. And you can't use curly brackets, you cannot use arrow functions though, but this is a way you can write functions shorthand inside of objects. So for this exercise, it wants us to refactor the function setGear inside the object bicycle to use the shorthand syntax described below. Great, so we want to change this property to be a function using the shorthand version. So we don't need function here, and we don't need a colon, and then we keep it like that, and just make sure it matches the curly brackets, and this is what happens inside of the function. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.